So let's continue on with adding and subtracting polynomials. I have some problems here, so go ahead and write this down. We are actually going to do 7 problems together. Hold on. Okay, got a phone call. All right, so let's look at this. The left is the same, but here we have this -1 that we have to distribute. So that would be a 5x squared minus 11x minus 5. And I still have the same one, so I'm just going to bring this down. So all I did was distribute this -1 to everything. All right, so now I need to look and see what my like terms are. There's no operation here, so it's a plus. If it was minus or negative, it would be minus. So 8x and 5x, I can just add those using my calculator or just in my head. 8 plus 5 is 13. And then I have 3x and -11x. So 3 minus 11 is -7x. And then I have -8 and a -5, making that -13. So if I lost you, make sure that you just go back. Thank you. Make sure you just go back and rewatch that. All right, so let's do number 2. We have, this is plus, so we have no distributing that we have to do, no distribution. All right, so let's look and see. Okay, cubed and cubed. So 4 minus 8 is a -4x cubed. And if you want to write them down like we did yesterday, you can do that, or you can just add them just like that in your head. Then next would be 9x squared and x squared. So what's in front of this? It's obviously a 1. -9 and a +1 would give us -8x squared. And if you're not sure, just use your handy dandy calculator. Like I know a lot of y'all will. +1 is a -8. So just to show. All right, and then next is x and 4x, making that 5x. Hopefully you're feeling good about it. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have this negative here, so that means I need to distribute this. So we have a 10x squared plus 3x, and then I need to distribute -1 times -2, which is a +2x squared. -1 times a +15, -15. Okay. Then we combine like terms, so I have a 10x squared and a 2x squared, making that a 12x squared. And then I have 3x. Oh, nothing matches, so I'm just going to write plus 3x. And then I have -15. Nothing matches with that, so I'll write -15. And this is equivalent to this. They're equivalent expressions. This one is just in the simplified form. Okay, let's go to the next one. How about I go ahead and let y'all do that one? So pause it and go ahead and do it, and then come back and I'll work it out with you. So I distribute it, rewrite this. Negative, make it +x squared. Negative and positive, make it -x. Negative and positive, make it negative. Okay, and then you need to combine your like terms. So cube and cube. And I usually go to the biggest exponent first because I know that's going to be my first term because I, again, want to go from least to greatest. No, greatest to least. There we go. So 3 minus 5 is -2x cubed. And then I have a 3x and a -x. That would be a +2x. And I think I just messed up my rule, didn't I? Because look, what happens here? You have a -x squared and a +x squared, they cancel. So we don't actually have to do that. So I didn't mess it up. All right, there we go. All right, here's another 3 more for you to try. So go ahead and pause it, and then I'll do it to make sure that you have it right. m squared plus 2m, negative 10, positive 12, plus 2. It's in descending order. I don't have to put that 1 there. I could just put m squared plus 2m plus 2. Either answer is correct. Okay, let's look at the next one. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that one. Pause it so that you can try it without me, and then come back. Five x squared minus 2x squared is 3x squared. And then negative 4 and negative 11 makes that negative. Negative 4 and negative 7 makes that a negative 11. Okay, then our last one. I forgot a parenthesis at the end of that. Okay, so this has that negative, so that means I need to distribute the negative. So I still have this 2x squared minus 4x cubed plus 9 minus 7x. And now I have negative 6x plus 2x squared. Negative and negative make that plus 5x cubed. All right, so my greatest exponent looks like it's the cube. Okay, so that's the one I want to do first. But you don't have to. You can come back and rearrange it after. But this usually helps. Negative 4 and a positive 5 is a 1x cubed, or just x cubed. And then, so cubed, then go down ones to squared. I have a 2x squared plus a 2x squared, so it'll be plus 4x squared. And then negative 7 and negative 6. Add those together and it's negative 13. And then my last item is 9, plus 9. And it looks like we are all simplified. And another reason why I use markers is because it helps me make sure that I've done each one of them. And it keeps them all kind of organized. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want. All right, so that is it for today for your notes. So the next thing you will find is a quizzes. See y'all later.